This 2023 Grand Design Momentum 351 MSR is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Grand Design is 39 feet 11 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, sleeps 7, auxiliary battery, awning, leveling jacks, external shower, refrigerator, air conditioning, LP detector, microwave, smoke detector, oven, and 155 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bath, front bedroom, front entertainment, kitchen island, loft, mid-kitchen, outdoor entertainment, patio deck, raised patio, rear bath, rear entertainment, rear living area, 2 entry, exit doors. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Grand Design Momentum 351 MSR is 14,700 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.